Lin-Manuel Miranda literally come on board the day before. We had him hop on a plane to New Zealand the day after he joined us.
You know, this is pre-Hamilton. This is pre that whole phenomenon. I think I was one of many composers who interviewed on the project, but I knew I wanted to be a part of it as soon as I heard about it.
Moana.
These guys just landed off the plane. Lynn goes up to the, got chosen to go up to the main stage there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I won a dance contest, which is pretty crazy because they were asking for audience volunteers.
And man, that really blew me away, you know? He goes up there and he just does it.
I was just shaking my hips to save my life, and that got me by.